Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord not opening on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to delete the Discord cache data. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find a Discord folder. Double click on it. You just need to select three folders guys. Press in keyboard control and select cache folder, code cache folder and GPU cache folder. Just right click on them and select delete option. If you get this message, then click on this system tray, right click on the Discord running in the background and select quit Discord. Now select try again. Now the folder has been deleted. Now you can try launching the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to run the Discord as administrator. To do this, right click on the Discord and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to check for corrupted files. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% done. After getting verification 100% complete, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to allow the app through Windows Defender Firewall. To do this, right click on the Discord and select open file location. Copy the file path. After copying it, close stuff here, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. Paste the path we copied. Press enter. Select update.exe and select open. Select add. Now check mark these both boxes guys, private and public. After that select OK for save changes. Now you can try launching the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to uninstall and reinstall Discord. To do this, go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. Search Discord. Select the three dot icon next to Discord and select uninstall option and uninstall the Discord. After that, close stuff here. Now check my video description for this Discord download link. Select download for Windows and download the latest version of Discord and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.